Welcome to Story Time with Sonia Panda.
Peppa Scooter Fun. Peppa is getting ready to go to playgroup. Today, Madam Gazelle has asked everyone to travel to class in their favorite way. Can George and I scooter to playgroup? Peppa asks excitedly. Please. Ho ho, of course. Peppa says Daddy Pig. Mommy and Daddy Pig have decided to use their scooters too. This is really good fun, says Daddy Pig. Whee! Remember to look out for things around you, like these ducks, says Mommy Pig. Everyone will love our scooters, George, says Peppa. Even Mommy and Daddy think they are amazing. At playgroup, everyone shows Madam Gazelle their favorite way to travel. I love my roller skates, says Molly Mole, zipping around. My chair is really speedy, says Maddie Mouse. My bicycle has a bell, says Danny Dog. Ding ding! Look, says Rebecca Rabbit, I have a new skateboard. Suddenly, there is a loud noise. Nina, Nina. It's Peggy and Pandora Panda. Their daddy has driven them to playgroup in his police car. What a wonderful siren, cries Madam Gazelle. It is very loud, says Pandora. The car has a light too, says Peggy. Nina, Nina. Would you like to stay for our lesson? Madam Gazelle asked Police Officer Panda. We are learning about the different ways we all like to travel. Police Officer Panda sets up some traffic cones. Let's see how safely you all get around. The children all love showing off how they can move safely between the cones. It is lots of fun. Remember to always pay attention, says Police Officer Panda. Don't go too fast. And if you are scootering, biking, or skating, then always wear your helmet. My helmet has flames on it, says Danny proudly. It's the best. Mine is best, says Zoe Zebra. It has spots like a ladybird. Dinosaur, grrr, says George, pointing to his helmet. Oh dear, nobody can agree on whose helmet is the best. Children, says Madam Gazelle, you all have wonderful helmets. And you all have wonderful ways of getting around. But whose is the best? Asked Zoe. Madam Gazelle tells the children that the best helmet and way of traveling is the one they each like most. Peppa raised her hand. I like my scooter best, she says. I'm really good at scootering. Watch. Peppa scoots and whooshes, whoosh, and zooms, zoom. Police Officer Panda thinks Peppa's scooter looks like fun. He gives it a go. My police car might have a siren, he says, but Peppa's scooter is the best for me. Whee! The children cheer and join in. Peppa loves scooters. Everyone loves scooters. And this is the end of the story.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Story Time with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.